Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got the E&A Pro's Choice Nail Tips with glue tabs, take 1. These are some little full coverage nail tips that I bought off of Amazon. I will have a link for them down below. And I love that they come in a little case. And then I bought these little glue tabs. I'll also have a link for them. Now today I'm not going into any real major like, oh, this is how you do this, because I am going to do this again. I did learn that this is not the right way. I mean, actually you're supposed to put them on the nail tip and then put the tip on your finger. But considering, you know, we like to just get stuff in the mail, rip it open and play with it, this is exactly what happened here today. So just so you know, I didn't wear these tips for very long. I had to do a manicure for a collab, and I wanted to have longer nails for this particular manicure. So these are etched on the tips so that they're already roughed up and stick good. I will next time be also filing these back. Even though these are considered short nails, these were wicked long for me. I was like not used to having nails that length anymore. And to go from short to long like that is just crazy. My nails were totally cleaned and prepped and ready for this. No dust, no lint, cleaned with alcohol and all that. If you're planning on wearing them for a long period of time, I would highly recommend, you know, doing the whole, you know, clean them up, get them ready, and then using the stuff like you would with a gel manicure or an acrylic overlay or something like that. Polygel, you know, where you use like the steps for that. I'm having a blank moment in my mind. You know, the dehydrator and the primer, all that good stuff. So, we would definitely do this differently, and I will be doing it differently. I've got some different glue tabs that I purchased that are thinner. These I felt made the nail stick like way up off the nail, but considering I normally wear natural nails, you know, I wasn't at all surprised that it was like that it felt like that for me. But I do have some thinner glue tabs that I got in, and I will be doing a video on that also. If you have any suggestions on this, please leave them in the comments down below. Here is a little live of them. Ta-da! They needed to be filed. And here is a swatch photo. You can tell they're on there. I'm going to apply this Bases Loaded Lacquer Low and Away. It's the foundational base color. And this just makes them look a little more natural. I didn't get the first coat on film. Well, I did, but it was really horrible, so I cut it. But I'm doing a second coat, and this just makes them look a little more natural, I think. You know, not that I would wear them like this. I'm definitely going to paint them. So, anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. And I hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.